Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to go ahead and change our mirror on this Nissan Altima. So if your car look like this, it doesn't matter what year it is. Even for the older one, it's the same thing, because I did one before on a 2015. It's basically the same thing, but so 2015 and up. This is a 2020. You can see the glass is gone, but it's still going to be the same procedure of doing it. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna get started on it and take off the mirror. So let's get started. So guys, you want to open the door to get on the inside. So once you open the door, what you want to do is get the flathead screwdriver that I have right here, and you can use the link in the description to order the tools, also the link in the description to support the channel. So flathead screwdriver, you just want to get it in between the door panel and this right here. It's kind of best to start at the top because there's some clip at the top you don't want to break. So we'll get you a close-up view. Alright, so we have to click unclip. So you just want to unclip the front part of the door panel, just like that. So that's the 3 screws that hold in the mirrors to the car. So we're gonna need to remove that. So this is the amount of space you need. You don't need more than this. Some people recommend taking off the whole door panel, but guys, to be honest, you really don't need more room than this. And down there you can see where the plug, trace this wire where the plug in, you can push in that part. So the same flathead screwdriver you used to take it apart, it's the same flathead screwdriver you're going to use to squeeze the clip. Now when I remove the clip, I'm going to show you it. So basically what you want to do is chase this wire, go all the way down to the clip, have this part to squeeze while you use your other hand to pull up on this, have it come out. So this is the switch, and basically this part you just gotta squeeze this part. So now all we need is 10 millimeters to remove those 3 10 millimeters to get that out. So guys, what I'm gonna do now is remove the 10 millimeter. So I have a 1/4 inch drive with a 1/4 inch socket, and also it's a small one just to fit in the groove. Alright, so now just need to take this out. So that's what you want to do, guys. Just remove these 3. Get it out. So you want to take your time with this process. You don't want to drop your 10 millimeter down there, because if you drop your bolt, now you would have to take off the door facing. Alright, so we got all 3 out. Now we can hold the mirror itself just like that. Shake it up and down and pull out on it. Alright, so now we have our mirror. What we need to take from this mirror, if you guys still have this piece on your mirror, try to take it off. Same flathead screwdriver. So because what this piece do is help you, and you don't have to paint the one that come with your new mirror. So kind of pry the bottom, work your way around, and it will come off just like that. So we're gonna get our new mirror and install it. So guys, what you want to do is put the cap from the older mirror back in this. This will save you the trouble of painting, and push it till you hear it snap back in place. And once it snap in place, then you know we're good. And we want to make sure we have this rubber piece on the mirror too, so because you don't want the mirror to leak in the water. And then again, the compressor won't let me be great, so we have one on here. What I'm gonna do is remove the one that's on here. So just remove this one. So guys, we want to make sure this stay up as well, so push that through, put that in the hole. Once it goes in, so now all we got to do is catch these 10mm on the back. Alright guys, so once we clip that in just like that, then we can just line up back our clips out with the holes, and everything gonna lock back in. Also, you can turn on your ignition and check your mirror, make sure it moves in all directions, which mine is. And here comes the end of the video. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, see you next time.